Hello, my name is Joshua Sells. This is an overview of the week 2 assignment for data structures and algorithms. So I have three files here. Bandinfo.txt, this is just a text file of band names. I have the band class. These are the attributes. Constructor, these are the getters and setters, and the overrided toString method. My application, here is the main method. This is the function I call to grab the text contents from the bandinfo.txt and load it into my method. In this case, I'm loading it right here into an array list called bands. This is my bubble sort method. This is my binary search method. Search set time. The main method takes the user through. Well, I'll just execute it and we'll see what happens. Okay, we're running it. Search by band name or set list. I'm going to pick one. We'll look for Nirvana. Band name is Nirvana, but it was not found. Press enter to keep going. I choose one again. Enter in the Nixons. It is found, and this is their set time. Okay, I'm going to continue. This time I'm going to pick two. Enter the set time you are looking for. I'm going to say 12. And the closest set time is Sponge has a set time of 39.59 minutes. Let's go one more round. I'm going to enter 44. FAT has a set time of 44 minutes. So there it is.